Here you have the interlobular right here, artery, interlobular vein. Then you have the accurate vein, accurate artery, and in between them is the interlobar, in between the pyramids. Within this cortex area, that's where you'll find the glomerulus, the Boltzmann capsule, and all that stuff. In this is in the area where they reside, which you can see them clearly here. Okay, this will be like the descending limb. This will be the ascending limb, and then this whole area is called the loop of Henle, and this will be the collecting duct. Because urine is being formed, the urine is being formed in the glomerulus. The glomerulus is there to like keep what it wants, filter what it wants, and then when it doesn't want it, excrete it back into the bloodstream for it to go back into the venous system, the blood. But whatever does make it through, it goes straight down. Because right in this area is like the urinary pole. It goes down, it goes right in here, and then it goes down the descending limb, go up the ascending limb, and then go straight down the collecting ducts. Then it leads into the minor calyxes, and then the major calyxes, and then it's right here be the renal pelvis, pelvis sinus, and then now once that's done, it'll go into here, and then that when it goes into the ureters, and in the ureters is where it will then lead into the trigon, or the urinary bladder, gets stored for however long. Then you have the detrusor muscle, which is a muscle that is in that area, and then it'll go down to the urethra. Then now they took this piece right here and then they decided to enlarge it, and this is where you can see the glomerulus here, which is also the glomerulus here. This right here is the efferent arteriole. This right here is the afferent arteriole. This encasing is the Boltzmann's capsule. There's another name for it, which I don't remember, but Boltzmann capsule, and this is the urinary hole. Okay, now this right here, as you go straight down, this would be the descending, this would be the ascending, and it just keeps going down, and then collecting. This would be the proximal collecting tubule, distal collecting tubule that then leads into the collecting duct, and then it goes straight, and that's how urine is being formed for it to go down, and whatever we don't need becomes waste product that goes straight down to the urethra, and so on and so forth. The urethra is into the bladder, and then it goes into the urethra, and this is the ureters. Does everybody understand? So this is the basic functional part of the kidney. So all this is very important because that's how urine is formed, so it can be exited out the body. Did I miss anything? Again, I could ask you the interlobar right here, interlobular, these out here, and this would be the accurate vein, accurate artery. Does everybody see that? And I think that's it. What one side? Interlobular. Interlobular is like in the cortex area, and then interlobar is like in between the pyramids.
So the cortex is like the functioning part, and the
yes,
medulla is like the conducting.
Yeah, to kind of move things along.
Okay.
Correct.